Okay, so got the gearbox reconnected to the gearbox lines, and this is on. I need to bleed the clutch. I've got fluid coming for that, which is actually the same system as the brakes, but I didn't know that. What else? Oh, I've got the CV bolts loosely, well, bolted in for now, not very tight, on both sides, just so it seals them, so there's no more water. I've got new bolts coming in the post. Yeah, I need to check which bolts I need to replace for the engine mounts. And then, so next thing is just putting all these wires on. Alternator's back on, but there's tensioner, that's not tight though. So, tensioner on, I need to find the AC compressor bolts so I can get that on, and then put the belt on. Tensioner can then be let loose. Yeah, making good progress. Okay, so I've got the sump on the engine, just loosely, because I'm waiting for the gasket maker and I can put that on. So let's put the spark plugs in, because I've got my spark plug socket now, and we'll do the drive shaft belts properly and torque them down, and yeah. Good morning. Right, last night we got the engine assembled. Today we're going to tighten the driveshaft bolt, and we've got a new caliper to go on this side. I'll do the pads at the same time. This rotor looks fine. I think after a few miles it'll just clean up. So, and the lip's not that bad. So we'll keep it for now. I've got spare ones in the back, if not. Yeah, let's get started. Little update, just getting all the water pipes in. It's not on, this is one. Like putting them on and putting the hose clips on. Got pretty much all of them done. All the, including the stuff at the back as well. Yeah. Just got, careful cat. Okay. Intakes, no, yeah, I don't know, can't remember, no. Thingy between the turbo and the pipe thing is in. All the brackets are in, holding in the transmission, drive shafts, turbo lines, cooling lines. One more pipe, which is in the car still. I'll go get that. Actually, no, it's this one here, which I need to put in. I'll trap that under there. Yeah, I have to take off this thing. Oops, right. And then oil, sump, coolant. We should be good to go.